Hi, so this is a maze. This works really well if you have really short problems. Maybe it's a simple matching. In this case, it's identifying their their charge or their actualization number. It could be something that's like solving an equation, but because the boxes are small, it can't be anything that's a lengthy question. Otherwise, it's just going to look awkward. So how do you change it? Okay, so first of all, you click here and you can click in and maybe you're going to change it to a math problem. Um, 2 plus x equals 6. And then the answer is going to now be, let's say, x equals 4. Okay. Now you can see it's not green anymore because I have to change the formatting for this one. This is basically a form of pixel art. The former answer was a equals 0. I have to go in and change it to the new answer. X equals 4. Okay. And that's going to send them on to the next one. So you would simply, again, change all the problems. Notice you're not going to use all of them because it's a maze, but you're going to have to change all of them. So you're going to have some like red herrings in there. And you're going to have to, and at least on the pathway, right, the maze that like turns green as they go through it, you're going to have to change the answers for at least those. Okay, so you can see this is mg is equal to +2. Well, whatever the answer is going to be, you're going to have to, again, click on that, conditional formatting, and no, cancel. There you go. There it is. And mg equals +2, you're going to change that to whatever you're going to make it. And notice it's in quotes. And then hit done. So whatever you change it to. How do you get conditional formatting? If that doesn't pop up, it's under Format, Conditional Formatting. Okay, so let's say it's not there, and you want to change this one. You go to Format, Conditional Formatting, right? TI equals +4, you can see that. Click on it and you can change it to whatever the new answer is. Okay, hope you have fun with it.